AsureQuality are experts in food assurance. We've been operating in the food industry for over 100 years now. In recent times, we've seen a shift where traceability has become a very important theme in proving confidence for consumer and market access. Sure, so as we saw this emergence of traceability becoming a challenge for our customers, we decided that we needed to partner with a software solution that would help in solving those issues. So we did a global search and found Shping and started a partnership with them. So Shping and AsureQuality have formed a partnership in which AsureQuality provides trusted data to the Shping platform. What that means is we upload our independent testing and auditing information to that platform, and consumers can view it readily as part of their shopping experience. Is that they meet the global traceability standards prescribed by GS1. What that means is that the data can be moved along the supply chain in a way that makes sense to everyone involved in that supply chain. So it's interoperable and it's favourable for food safety outcomes.